Yes, class 4, fifth students. Again, welcome back to chapter 4, the scuba diving experience. What is the meaning of scuba diving? First, we have to understand it. Scuba diving means the underwater swimming, which is done to observe the several species which are swimming underwater or which are living underwater. That is the scuba diving. And in that scuba diving, as we are underwater, so we don't have to face the lack of oxygen. So a pipe of oxygen cylinder is put in our mouth. That is the scuba diving. Let's move towards the let's begin portion. Incredible India is the finest example of unity in diversity in the world. भिन्नता भी है और साथ में भी है हम. We are the richest in culture and heritage. Our 29 states and 7 union territories offer innumerable breathtakingly beautiful locations to visit. Of course, our country is very beautiful. Our 122 major languages make most of us bilingual or even trilingual also. We comprise different ethnic groups and follow many religions. All together, we make one blessed country. So our country is very blessed. Of course, we all have several languages to speak. हर जगह हम जाते हैं, हर थोड़ी दूरी पे हमारी भाषा, हमारी बोली बदल जाती है. भारत बहुत सुंदर देश है. Our country is very, very, very beautiful, and we are really proud of it. We should be, of course. Why? Because it is very beautiful. We are living together, and again we have several languages to speak. We all have our personal languages, our area wise languages, regional languages. Then again we are having our mother tongue. Then we are having the global language, English. So there are several languages in which we can speak. How many places have you visited in India till now? So many. Yes, I also visited, and you also might have visited several different places in India. Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir, south of India, then Seven Sisters, East India. Which other places in the country would you like to travel to? In our country, I would like to travel south of India, Kerala. I would like to go to Tamil Nadu, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Jammu and Kashmir, Leh, Ladakh. Several places are there where I would like to travel. Because why? Because my country is very, very, very beautiful, and I am so in love with my country. How many languages do you speak? I speak three languages. I speak my mother tongue Sindhi, then I speak Hindi, then I can speak Rajasthani language also, Mewari, then I can speak English also. So there are several languages which I can speak. I can speak as I am belonging to MP. I can speak Malvi Bhasha also. There are several languages which I can speak. Let's move further. Let's read. Again, we are going to read the burp or the block in yellow color. Which city did the children want to visit during their winter break? Again, it is related to chapter. So let's read the chapter first. Let's read. It is the story of the family who just planned to go to Andaman and Nicobar Islands for their summer break. Let's see what happened in the story. School was closing in a week for the fortnight long winter break. Sorry, they are going in the winter break. Tina and I were looking forward to go to Mumbai to spend the holidays with our cousins. Little did I know that Dad has booked us all on a flight to Port Blair to spend a week in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The two characters, Tina and the author himself, they were just planning to go to Mumbai to spend the winter break with their friends for a week. But what happened there? Father had thought something far beyond, and they had planned, or he might have planned to take the family to Port Blair, or they had planned a trip to they had planned a flight to Port Blair and had booked a trip there for 7 days in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They decided to spend a week there in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, I wailed. Now what happened? He was just less interested. The other was less interested in going to Andaman and Nicobar. So he wailed. That means something crying like, oh, voice. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Who goes for vacation there? Said Tina. My sister said, who just go to Andaman and Nicobar for vacation? But nothing we said had any effect on Dad. But our all the speeches, our all the things, explanations were all in vain. My dad denied each and everything. There was no change in his decision. He and mummy were looking forward to going. They were planning for the trip. Mummy asked us to find out everything we could about the islands, and my mother asked me to find out each and every piece of information for Andaman and Nicobar Islands. I was reluctant, but Tina agreed. Mm, what happened? I was reluctant, but Tina agreed. Reluctant means the other was not in mood, so he was not interested in finding out the information also. But Tina agreed. His sister agreed to find out the information about the trip or about the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. After about an hour, she came running, excited After about an hour, she came running excitedly to me, saying, "Oh, Rohan, we are going to scuba diving." It says that snorkeling and scuba diving are the main attractions of the Andaman एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स आफ्टर अबाउट एन आवर। एक घंटे के बाद उसकी ब्रदर सिस्टर, जो हमारे मेन कैरेक्टर है रोहन द ऑदर, उनकी जो सिस्टर है वो उनके पास आके क्या कहती है कि हम वहाँ पर क्या करेंगे, स्कूबा डाइविंग। इट सेज द स्नो दैट स्नोरकेलिंग एंड स्कूबा डाइविंग आर द main attractions of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Now that aroused my interest and I joined Tina on her search for information on her holiday destination. That is what we learned. अब उन्होंने उसने वो भी खुश हुआ और उसने भी सर्च करना शुरू किया। दिस इज व्हाट वी लर्न। अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स, अ यूनियन टेरिटरी ऑफ इंडिया, लाइज इन द बे ऑफ बंगाल. It consists of about 527 islands, both large and small. The coastline of the islands stretches for about 100 kilometer. Coastline means जो पानी के आसपास की जो बाउंड्री थी वो कितनी थी, 100 kilometer. The islands are covered with dense forest and endless variety of exotic flowers and birds. The area of the island is about 8 to 93 square kilometers. I think there is nothing so confused or difficult that I have to explain in Hindi. It is all very clear to you. The island consists of two groups, Andaman and the Nicobar. The capital city is Port Blair. Of the total land area, 90% of the land is covered with rainforest. Of the 527 islands, only 38 islands are inhabited. That means only 38 islands में ही लोग रहते हैं, कुछ लोग population रहती है. Otherwise all are vacant. They are lonely. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands have been inhabited for several thousand years, as suggested by the evidence. People knew very little about these islands as they were far away from the mainland. हम लोगों को बहुत कम जानकारी उनके बारे में, क्यों? क्योंकि वो जो हमारा मेन इंडिया का पोर्शन है उससे थोड़ा दूर है. The accepted history about Andaman and Nicobar is limited. It is believed that Marco Polo was the first from west to set foot on one of the islands. West means बाहर से, from western country. The Marco Polo was the first person who kept his feet on the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Kanoji Angre, a Maratha admiral, had his base on the island in the early 18th century. From there he attacked passing Portuguese, Dutch and English merchant vessels on their way to or from their various Asian colonies. In 1713, his navy even succeeded in capturing the yacht of British governor of Bombay. Despite many efforts by the British and the latter by the joint military force of British and Portuguese naval forces, Kanoji Angre was never defeated. Kanoji Angre was a Maratha admiral. He was a Maratha king and had his base on the island in the early, और उनकी जो कैपिटल थी वो थी यहाँ पर कहाँ, अंडमान एंड निकोबार में, इन द अर्ली 18th सेंचुरी. फ्रॉम देयर ही अटैक्ड पासिंग पोर्टुगीज. जो पोर्टुगीज वहाँ से निकलते थे समुद्र से, उनको वो अटैक करते थे. डच एंड इंग्लिश मर्चेंट वेसल्स ऑन देयर वे टू और फ्रॉम देयर वेरियस एशियन कॉलोनीज. जो दूसरी एशियन कॉलोनीज से होकर के और या उनके जहाज जो जाते थे इंग्लिश मर्चेंट्स के या डच लोगों के या पोर्टुगीज के, तो ये कान्होजी आंग्रे थे ना, उनके जहाज़ों को अटैक करके उनसे सामान ले लेते थे. इन 1713 हिज नेवी even succeeded in capturing the yacht of the British governor of Bombay. उनका भी यास्ट इन्होंने कैप्चर कर लिया था. Despite many efforts of the British and the later by the joint military force of British and Portuguese naval forces, उन सब की ब्रिटिश और पोर्टुगीज की नेवी भी मिल गई थी, उसके बावजूद भी कोई भी कान्होजी आंग्रे को हरा नहीं पाया था. The British established their first colony in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in 1789. उन्होंने अपनी पहली कॉलोनी कब बनाई थी, 1789 में, विच वॉज अबेंडेड इन 1796. पर बहुत जल्दी वो खाली कर दी उन्होंने, बहुत जल्दी वहाँ से चले गए, सिर्फ 7 years में. The British finally annexed the island in the 19th century, adding them to their empire. और फिर उन्होंने कब कैप्चर किया इनको, 19th century में, और अपने ब्रिटिश एम्पायर में मिला दिया. They used to send Indian freedom fighters to live in exile here. और जो पनिशमेंट मिलता था, सजा है काला पानी का, जो इंडिया के हमारे जो स्वतंत्रता सेनानी हुआ करते थे उनको यहाँ पर वो रहने के लिए सजा के तौर पर भेजा करते थे. ओके, दैट्स ऑल इन दिस वीडियो. थैंक्स फॉर लिसनिंग.